guys, it's Macy, and today I'm going to be opening up a lot of squishies. So I'm really excited. So I have these two Cake Pop Cuties. There's this big, really big one, and then there's a really tiny one. There's two little ripping things right here, so I can get them off easier. I just did that. And then there's this amazing squishy ball thing, and you can get like a monkey, a penguin, a narwhal, a fox, a unicorn, an owl, a panda, and a dog. And then there's like these poop squishies where you can get a brown one, this one with emoji, there's a rainbow one with a hamburger, sprinkles, a panda, a galaxy one, and pineapple, a red strawberry, and a pink strawberry. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Did you get them? Or are they just waiting?
Waiting.
Okay, sorry. We're at the eye doctor right now so I can get my lenses changed on my glasses. I think I've never mentioned that I have glasses before, but I do.
You want to finish that and then let's go? Or you want us to go and then you do it when we get home? Because you can stay home with Mommy and I.
What?
You can stay home with me when Mommy takes you home and you can do that.
I just want to do it now because we have to wait on that.
Okay, we're going to drive to Kroger.
Wait, but I'm not strapped in.
Okay.
I'm doing my video.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Can I do this and then we go?
Yeah, quick.
Okay. Anyway, there's this little ball I can open up. Okay, so I got this one. It's like pink with a little face on it. It's really cute. It's still rising. And it smells really good.
No way, the cute pink one.
That's
I love
perfect.
it.
Anyway, and then this is the checklist.
Did you get two or just one?
One. Anyway, here's this checklist. It's really cute. So here's are all the names: Cherry, Anna, Bella, Brenda, Bay, Natel, Paula, Tessa, Nisa. These names are really hard. Jen, Sunny, Double D, and Ophelia. I'm not really sure if I got some of those names right, but this camera does not want to focus. So I'm sorry about that. Anyway, so now I'm going to open up this one with all the animals on it, which I said. I really want the panda, the owl, or the penguin, or the dog. The dog's really cute. There's a lot of trash. Oh my gosh, I just dropped it. Okay, got it. Okay, so I got the monkey. It's really cute. Here it is. This smells so good. It smells like a Squish Delish squishy I have. Anyway, here's the monkey. Look, and its little tail's curled up. And it says something on the bottom, but I can read China and stuff. But the other one's like a different language, I think. I'm not sure. It's really cute. Here it is. Mommy, I got a monkey.
Oh my goodness.
Alright, so now I'm gonna do the big jumbo Cake Pop Cutie. I cannot stop squishing this, it feels so nice. Okay, so I've gotten these two so far out of the two balls, so it's really cute.
Mama, they're out back there.
Now I'm going to open up this big Cake Pop Cutie. It's the big one. Get your, oh, I thought you were gonna say, never mind. Anyway, here is this jumbo Cake Pop Cutie. I'm really excited about this one. This is probably the one I was most excited about. It doesn't exactly show a checklist or anything on the front. It just shows 3 squishies. but I know that's not the whole entire Cake Pop Cutie checklist. Unless it is for the jumbo ones, but I don't know. Anyway, so here it is. It's like orange drippings with these sprinkles. There's a little hole right there, and it smells so good. All I can see is this little, it said squishy foam. That's all I can see. Anyway, and it's purple on the bottom. And then there's a little white stick. It comes off, but I'm just gonna pop it open. Alright, so the first squishy I have is this little penguin. I'm sorry if you can see that. Oh my gosh, everything is spilling. Okay. We're just moving stuff out of the way. Alright, so it's this little is this a penguin? I don't know. It's something. I think it's a penguin, I don't know. But it has a like horn and then this thing on the bottom. It's really cute. And it smells so good. It smells really good. Here it is. It's really cute. And then there's this pink one. It's in packaging. This is so slow rising. Oh my gosh. I think I want to keep this in the packaging. Yeah, I'm going to keep this one in the packaging. But anyway, here's the pink one. You know what? I really actually want to check it out. I'll put it back in the packaging now. Okay, here it is. Anyway, here it is. That was so soft, and it has a purple horn. I'm not really sure what these things are, but they're like these penguin things. There's a pink one and a blue one, so I got both of them. So it's really cute. The pink is so soft, and it smells a lot better than this one. Or it smells the same, but a lot stronger.
How you doing stress at work?
Anyway, so. Alright, so there's something else in here. It's this cone. That's cute. Might be another squishy in here. There's something down there. I don't know. There's a lot of paper, like plastic up here. It's just bundled up in a ball. So I'm gonna take out these things. No, none of these are squishies. Alright, so there's this little cone. I get it now. Okay, bye, Jake. Shout out to Snuck Gone Wild.
Woohoo! I'll be using this headset. Hopefully y'all can hear me in my next video, so bye.
Anyway, so there's popsicle and ice cream. Really cute. So, as I was saying about the penguins, I wasn't really sure what they were, but I realized that this is a cone, and this is like the thing at the bottom of an ice cream, since it's an ice cream cone. So that's really cute. There's a little pink penguin, and then there's a little blue penguin. So you can take out the pink one and put in the blue one, or I guess you can make it a 2-layered
What was the big one?
ice cream cone. These two. They want ice cream. I'll let you squish them in a minute. So there's those two. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you all the squishies that I got in this video, or everything I got in this video. All right. So the first thing I opened was this poop squishy. This one was in the blue bottle, I think. I'm not sure. I think it was. But yeah, here is this little poop. Its smile's not that really cute. It's kind of a little scary, but it's really soft. It probably is a poop with braces. That's what I'm thinking.
Come on, Mimi.
Me? Okay, hold on. Anyways, here's the poop. And then here is this monkey. And then there's these two penguin ice creams. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. I hope I'll see you guys next video. Bye.